In this video, I have 5 apartment buildings that I'm going to be putting letters up next to the doors so that each apartment is labeled. This is what the finished product looks like. It is secured to the wall, and we got a nice finished letter next to each of the doors. There's D and C. It's not wiggle, it's very secure. So here are my letters. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They appear to be like a painted wood or plastic material. So it's just what I needed. They're the right size. I think they were only about $1.50 each. So what I'm doing is I'm using these letters to notate which room is which on these apartment buildings. I'm applying it with Loctite Premium. This is one of my favorite construction adhesives because this stuff does not give up. It's really strong. All right, so I'm going to prep all of my letters for this building by putting the adhesive on the back. It's not going to dry very quickly, so I am not at risk at all for it drying as I go. It's not like super glue where it dries immediately. This stuff takes hours. So I'm gonna start prepping now. I have a caulking gun right here, and I'm gonna pull the trigger, and then that is going to push the glue out. I'm gonna put a heavy amount, and because the surface I'm mounting to is not flush and flat, so I'm gonna need it to fill voids. If any of it squishes out on the side, then I'm just gonna wipe it off. Nice and easy. So whenever I'm done using the caulking gun, I like to suppress this trigger and pull the rod back so that the pressure is no longer on the adhesive tube, so that it just doesn't continue squishing out all of my material. So that stops that pressure right away. All right, now I'm gonna go mount these letters. So I've been putting at about eye level. Got a little bit squished out, but again, that's okay. I'm going to just hold this here for about 30 seconds. Okay, I had a little bit of mess on the corners, but I was able to wipe that off, and that's gonna be pretty good. So on to the next letter. Okay, I got B on, C, and D. Now I'm gonna be wiping off the extra glue that seeped out. Not much, but enough to have to handle it. All right, I'm at the next property. I'm gonna do some more. All right, got another batch of them done. Gonna mount them now. All right, and I got my last one for this block prepped. Gonna go ahead and put it on the building. So after about, I think 4 to 8 hours, this is gonna harden. It's gonna take about 24 hours for it to fully cure though. Once it fully cures, it's gonna be as if it is bonded to the building, and it's never gonna give up. So it's really good stuff. I hope this video is helpful for you and maybe gave you some ideas on how you should do this on your own project. Thanks for watching.